Hi Abdi, this is your news. So hint me you got a Steen Circle, and kind of a spin round, on the other side we got Bonnie Benahee. So Kenneth, I'm in Aberdeenshire. This is far and fae, I'm a bucking loon, I'm doing your news. I do your news in Braid Scots and I for Abdi else, and I'm doing multiphonologic Scots, well, scene will be for Abdi else. But the Scots news. And you micht ken or you micht nae ken, but Scots is now officially to Scotland. And that's half agreed. And there's money hang that'll come out of that. But it's minute we didn't hae Puro in Scotland, or poor hour is Braidcastin. So we were nae able to get kind of likes of Ofcom to mandate that we hae things in Scots on STV, on BBC, or on anything like that. And that's fit for sitting at D. So kind of it got unanimous support at the Parliament in Holyrood. So fit why nae get Westminster to get the support and mark Ofcom di art. They did it for Welsh, they did it for Gaelic. Fit why nae for Scots. Ken the Tories and the Conservatives and Labour both gied unanimous support to Scots having an official standing in Scotland. So fit why are we nae going to see the support in Westminster? So I've got an article about it. Ging in here, read it in your news. And like and follow you on YouTube or other platforms for made videos about it.